What's up, guys? Tom here with Extreme Air Vents. This is a little follow-up video review of the Force Turbos muffler for the Skidoo 850 Turbo. So I've got about 6-7 rides on this thing, and there's the stalker, there's the Force Turbos can. So my observation, I'm going to try to keep this simple and concise. As far as performance goes, it is identical to stock. To me, that's a win, okay? You don't put a can on to gain performance. There's probably, they may claim 3 to 4 horse gains. There is no cans that gain horsepower. Don't believe what you're being told when you read that. Maybe on a dyno, it might adjust at certain RPM, but you're not gaining performance. What you're doing is you're losing weight. In the past, I have found I've ran mostly stock mufflers on the 850s because the majority of them lose power. The XMs, there were none of them that were making, quite honestly, on the XM, there was no cans out there that were actually not losing power. Most of them were losing power, and most of it was in the mid-range. At the top, not so much, but the stock on an XM 800 stock can made the best power at mid, which in the trees and stuff, that's where you want it. So anyways, I'm happy to announce that the Force Turbos can on the 850 Turbo, zero difference. I switched back and forth. I put this on the last ride because I did all my clutch adjusting, which that video is going to be coming up too, my review on clutching. I did all of the clutch adjustments with the Force Turbos can on. Now, I wanted to make sure that there wasn't going to be any difference in clutching with the stock can, and I'm happy to announce that there is no difference. I cannot feel a difference. The only thing you notice is the sound. Now, the Force Turbos is louder. It's more of a deep, throaty sound. I'm going to post some videos of both cans. What you'll hear is my last ride with the stock can on, and then some rides of both my sled and my buddy Chris's sled. His has the exact same, the Force Turbo can on it. There's no difference in the mid-range that you can feel. You do hear it, obviously, but there's no throttle response difference, which I'm really happy about. So you lose 9 pounds with this can. So Force Turbos claims that it is a factory tuned, and I have to believe that. Like if you watched my install video, Force Turbos builds an awesome can, and they put the time and effort into it. I don't know how they factory tune it, but they maybe flow test it compared to the stock. Now the stock one does come in and makes a turn. So I don't know why this is so big. Comes in, makes a turn, and then comes out like this. So there's definitely some difference in flow. This is a straight through. I mean, it's just coming in and straight through. So they've got to make that diameter absolutely perfect. But watch these videos. You can hear the sound. Highly recommend the Force Turbos muffler. I'm not paid by them to make this video. I'm just wanting to give you a review. So lose 9 pounds, lose no performance, which is freaking awesome. So yeah, there we go. Force Turbos can. Happy with it. Okay, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.